it felt very, very criminal to let go of all the productive waste just to landfill. We're fairly a small sized family, but we consume a lot of fresh vegetables and fruits. A lot of green consumption happens in our house, and so yeah, composting was like a very natural and should have been a very obvious choice. It's all started with a DIY with about a 25-30 liter bin that we had. We ran out of space, so we moved to a 50-liter plus drum. That also we ran out, and we had to eventually settle for the Daily Dump Gobble Max. It's been fulfilling all the way through. We just made the whole process very easy, and by the time we switched over there was a lot of learning through the entire process. I've enjoyed my journey so far. Best composting bugs has to be maggots. Biggest composting mistake? I think goofing out with the brown and green ratio initially, but once you get it, it was magical. How do I use my black gold? I use it for my own garden, and I share it with my friends. And if I have some more left, I actually just toss it around on the trees in the vicinity.